Audience awareness is really important when we create content for MiraCosta College students. We have a wide range of students, and everybody has a specific goal in mind. So when we're creating posts for the Transfer Center, we have to take into consideration that we have students from all backgrounds and with very different situations. So what may work for one student will not work for another, and we need to make sure that we're creating posts that are varied enough to reach all of the different demographics. We have an average age of 27 years old. We have a wide spectrum of ethnic groups. We have 60% female, 39% male students. And of course, we have to take into account that even within that, there are people who are wanting to find options outside of those two designations. So we want to make sure that we're not alienating anybody. It is really important for us to be inclusive and to be aware that we have traditional students, we have untraditional students, meaning we have students coming out of high school, we have students who have been out of school for many, many years, and we have several campuses. So while we provide the same services to all students, the resources that each student may need to access and the approach that we may need to take for reaching specific students will change depending on the event and depending on who it is that we feel needs to be reached with that message.